Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of adverbs of frequency. These little words play a big role in English grammar, especially when it comes to talking about how often we do things. Let's explore some important notes together. Note number 1. When forming negative sentences in the simple present tense with don't for plural subjects and the pronouns I, you, we, and they, or doesn't for singular subjects he, she, it, adverbs of frequency are typically placed between the auxiliary verb don't and doesn't and the main verb. Here are some examples. She doesn't always remember to lock the door before leaving. They don't usually eat spicy food. He doesn't often go to the gym. We don't always have time to watch TV. I don't always remember to water the plants. Note number 2. When using adverbs of frequency like never in a sentence, it inherently conveys a negative meaning. For example, she never forgets her keys. This sentence means she does not forget her keys. Note number 3. Regarding the usage of adverbs of frequency like never, with third-person singular subjects such as he, she, or it, the verb remains in its base form without removing the s ending. In other words, the verb remains unchanged or for third-person singular subjects when using adverbs of frequency. For example, she never misses her train. He never arrives late. And there you have it. Adverbs of frequency might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master them in no time. Remember, whether it is always, sometimes, or never, these adverbs help us express or show or say how often we do things in English. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using these words confidently in your conversations. Thanks for joining us today and happy learning.